I feel like in the beginning I had the smaller accounts, and during COVID, like it was one Taekwondo place and it was one like dentist office, and they weren't that much money. You know what I mean? Like it was just like my beginning stages, and I was just like, I'm just gonna do it because they're giving me a chance, but I was doing them myself, and I was working, and then I was exhausted because it wasn't worth it for me to have somebody in there.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Let me ask you this. Did you have any prior commercial cleaning experience before you jumped into this?
Well, when I was married, my ex-husband and I have two of his brothers had clean franchises. Sometimes we used to work for them for extra money. And I was like, when after all that stuff happened with my son, and I was just like, you know what, if they could do it, I can do it. I could do it. And I didn't want to do the franchise because I already knew I didn't need sales, somebody to get me leads. I could figure out how to do payroll by myself. I can get my own insurance, whatever. I just did it, so, I just did it.
That's what's up. That's what's up. All right. Yeah. Well, what do you think made that larger, actually both contracts, what do you think it was that you did that made them want to give you a shot as a brand new business?
Well, I feel like, how they say it's levels to this, I feel like in the beginning I had the smaller accounts, and during COVID, like it was one Taekwondo place and it was one like dentist office, and they weren't that much money. You know what I mean? Like it was just like my beginning stages, and I was just like, I'm just gonna do it because they're giving me a chance, but I was doing them myself, and I was working, and then I was exhausted because it wasn't worth it for me to have somebody in there. So I just kind of didn't get back in touch with them. And I was like, I want bigger accounts. You know what I mean? So I bought your leads, and that kind of opened up that door to the universe for me to go to level up. You know what I mean? And so you do have to invest, and I'm a single mom. I provide everything, like no help, you know what I mean? So I have to be very cautious about what I spend and all that kind of stuff. But you do have to invest in your business in order for it to thrive.
That's what's up. And, speaking of that too, I meant to ask you when we wanted the topic of meditation, with you being a single mom, having a job, having this business, and your kids being athletes. So I know that the time that goes into that. So it's like, how do you prioritize having time to meditate?
I stop everything. When I start feeling off, or like I feel a little bit of anxiety, or I start to feel overwhelmed, when I tell you, if I have to park my car, if I'm out, I'm out and about all day working, you know what I mean? I'm an inspector, so I'm on the road. So when I go, if I'm feeling like it's about to rain down on me emotionally, what I do is I go park underneath a tree. I turn on my meditation music, and breathing and just kind of gathering yourself. That's what I do. Like I just stop everything. Like some people say they stop whatever they need to do to smoke a cigarette or drink or whatever. That's like my thing that I do. You know what I mean? So if I don't do it, then I won't have peace of mind. And I learned about chakras as well. Like that's a whole nother but you have to keep those balanced as well. And so yeah, I have to. I know it seems like I am super busy when you say it like that. I'm like, I guess I am busy, but somehow I don't know. Like I just do it.
And speaking of just do it, I think that's probably what you're going to answer my next question. But my next question is for somebody watching my videos, waiting and thinking about starting their cleaning company. What advice would you give that person?
Man, let me tell you something. Like please just trust me. You know what I mean? You resonated with me. There's a few other people that I watch too. Like I watch Fabio Hart. I like him. I watched the Tenacity Academy, which she came later, but she's dope. You know, like I really like her. Like I love her. And but since I was with you from when I first started, I kind of get used. Like I got used to you. So but you know, and you wholeheartedly want to teach people, you know what I mean? And you just like make it simple, you know what I'm saying? So I guess your personality, your channel resonated with me, and I was just like, I'm just gonna fool with him, and I started writing stuff down, and you know what I'm saying? And I got my LLC. I didn't have insurance until recently, you know? Right. Like but I did my LLC. I was like, I don't know if I'm doing this right or not. And when I did it, I was like, that was easy. You know what I mean? Like, it wasn't even that hard. Like, right. You know, so yeah, I was just like, okay, I got an LLC. I got like a little post office box, you know, and I really wasn't even really making a whole lot of money until recently. I've been in business for like a year.
Clean Biz Network has been exponentially advantageous for my growth because I was telling someone earlier is that you can go to these other groups on Facebook, and a lot of times people are kind of hesitant with sharing information. They always, to me, it feels like they think you're going to try to take business from them as opposed to sharing the wealth of knowledge that's readily available. So when I got into Clean Biz Network, they answered every question that I had. When I sat down, I was in my yard and I paid for the starter kit. And within the first week, I felt that I got my money's worth. And I was telling my girlfriend that, hey, I've already got my money's worth just off of this conversation with like-minded individuals who will sit there and talk to you and let you know some of the things that you need to plan, you need to think about, you need to kind of prepare for. So it's been absolutely amazing. My company is Squeaky Clean Commercial Cleaning Company. We're out of Columbia, South Carolina. AJ Simmons Clean Biz Network is the only way to go.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.